Now let's move on to the fourth part, that is the last part of the lesson, nervous system and sense organs. In the third part, you have already learned about the eyes, ears and nose. So in this part, in this fourth part, you will be learning about the tongue and skin. First is about the tongue. The tongue helps us to taste our food. You all know that. You can see small taste buds on your tongue. They are the receptors that allow us to experience the taste of our food. Taste buds lie inside the little bumps on the tongue. You know, we can taste our food better if we can smell it. That is why when you have when you have a cold and block your nose, food does not taste so good. That means the sense of taste and smell work together to sense the flavor of the food. It is called flavor. Smell and taste together. Okay, it is called flavor. So we experience flavor through our taste receptors and through our smell receptors. There are 5 basic tastes. They are sweet, sour, salty, bitter and umami. The fifth sense is called umami. It is not mentioned in your textbook. In the textbook it is given that only 4 basic tastes: sweet, sour, salt and bitter. But there is another sense called umami. The food items like fish, cheese or tomatoes taste like umami. We taste different things on different parts of the tongue. For example, the sweet, you can see at the picture, the sweet at the tip of the tongue, then sour and salty on the sides of the tongue, then bitter at the last, means at the end of the tongue. You can check this by testing different food items available at your home. Okay. Other than these taste buds, the tongue has other kinds of receptors which report about heat, cold, pain and texture. All taste buds look alike, but each reports only one kind of taste. So we experience different taste for different food items. Okay. How do we taste? Let us see. When you put food into your mouth, it mixes with saliva. You know, saliva is the liquid produced by the salivary glands, which is present under the tongue. Then the saliva wets and dissolves the food particles. Then the taste buds on our tongue react to the chemicals in these food particles. Then the taste receptors receive the message and send it to your brain through the sensory nerve. Then the brain tells you what the taste is. So we are able to enjoy the taste of different food items. Okay. Now, care of the tongue. We should always clean our tongue with a tongue cleaner and wash our tongue with clean and fresh water. Don't eat or drink a very hot food because it may damage your taste buds on your tongue. So that is about the sense organ, tongue. Now let's move on to the next sense organ, that is the last sense organ, skin. You all know that skin forms a covering for the entire body surface. Our skin protects the internal organs. The 5 sensations that we can feel through our skin are touch, heat or cold, pressure, pain and tickling. It also allows the wastewater of the body to come out in the form of sweat. Do you know which is the largest organ of our body? That is the skin. Your skin has 2 main layers. The top one that we can see is the epidermis. Under the epidermis is the dermis, where there are nerves and the blood vessels lie. When we touch something, the sensory nerves in our skin send information to the brain which tells us how something feels. More about skin you will learn from higher class children. Okay. Next is care of the skin. Same like the other sense organs, it is necessary to take care of our skin. For our good health, it is necessary to clean our skin regularly. For that, you have to take a bath every day. Wear clean clothes which should be loose enough to allow free circulation of the air. We should not wear other people's clothes as we may get skin diseases. If we get any cut, scratch or burn on the skin, apply an antiseptic cream to avoid infection. Now we have completed our lesson, nervous system and sense organs. Read the lesson as much as possible and learn the concepts thoroughly. After that, do the textbook exercises. All the answers are given here for your reference. As usual, the question answers you have to write in your notebook. There are 5 question and answers in this lesson. Okay, you have to copy it neatly to your EVS notebook. Same exercises and question and answers are given in the PDF format also. You can copy from there also. Both are same. Okay. Now the diagrams from this lesson are: 1. Parts of the human brain. You have to draw, color and label the parts of the human brain. Then structure of the eye, taste regions of the tongue. These 3 diagrams you have to draw in your EVS notebook as usual. Okay. The brain picture is given here. You can draw this picture. This is little easy for you to draw. You have to label it. Labeling is not given. You have to label it by yourself. Okay. With this, we come to the end of this lesson. Hope you all have enjoyed it.